time to count it up. So this has all come from 2 litter picks in the same place.
Oh, it's cold.
Let's see how much we got. The Smurf. Two Brit sticks. No. Good boy. Snails with polystyrene stuck to them. Little boat, bit ironic. One little shrimp safely returned to water. Okay, so that is everything separated. Now I just need to count it. When I initially started this, I thought that I'd count the polystyrene. I'm just gonna let you judge for yourself. There's quite a lot in there. Absolutely hundreds of pieces. 27 glass bottles and 2 light bulbs. 60. 70. And then balls, we have 59 balls, 9 cans. Lynx comes up 3 times, 13 lighters, 4 bits of fishing equipment, 2 Pritt sticks, and then other weird things: headphone case, compass, boat, Smurf, and a space hopper, and a shoe, which of course is Adidas. So this is what we've collected. In terms of the bottles, I just want to call out a few companies: Pepsi, Lucasade, Coca-Cola, Lucasade, Dr. Pepper, Lucasade, Coca-Cola, Mars, Sprite, owned by Coca-Cola, 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 Tropicana, owned by Pepsi, Coca-Cola, 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 Lucasade, Dr. Pepper, Coca-Cola, Lucasade, Pepsi, Pepsi, which, lo and behold, if you saw my video on which companies come up the most in litter picks, it's these ones. I hope this encourages people to get out there and do litter picks, because you make such a direct impact. All of this is now out of the water, so the river is actually flowing again and the ducks can actually swim through the river. And do share it with me, because I'd love to see the difference that you're making as well.